Well, hello. I'm in Weardale today. Nice day. A little bit wind up. I'm heading for Allen Heads. Flies all over. Shut the lid. Just trying to iron a few problems out with my sat-nav. As you can see there, it doesn't always connect to my helmet straight away, and I can't play my music through it. And I'm trying my camera out because I've just been to France and I couldn't record nothing. Now I'm getting back home. I've sorted it out. Apparently it was the SD card, so we're out giving it a try today. Just by myself on the country roads. Right, we're just coming into a little village in Weardale called Weardale. This is Weardale. I told you it was small. Old little mining town. There are lead mines around here, and there was. Not too much now. Slow down for these horses. As you can see, most of the time the road's empty, or very little traffic on them. Why the popular with bikers. When we were in France, it was absolutely red hot. Never been in temperatures like it. Couldn't concentrate for the heat. Soaking wet everywhere I went with sweat. It was just not pleasant at all. The actual place we were at, Lake Annecy, it was a lovely place, but like I say, it was just far too hot. It was a long way to travel. 1,000 mile there and 1,000 mile back. Getting to Spain is easier than that, for me anyway. You get out to Portugal from the ferry, then you chilled out with you on the ferry, and you get there to Spain, and the Angels straight away. Old mine there, lead mine. Used to get a lot of trials bikes up here in these hills. I don't know why. The last few years I've never seen any. I wonder if they've been stopped. So I didn't make any films when I was in France, and I was very disappointed. I mean, the 1,000 mile motorway there and the 1,000 mile back. But once we got there, the scenery was, I wouldn't say it was the best scenery I've seen, but it was okay. Nice place, some nice places to visit. Went to go on a bike. It was just a bit too far in the time that we had. Some of the hotels we stopped in didn't have air conditioning. You couldn't sleep at night, it was that hot. Absolutely baking. Northumberland. No wonder I couldn't find this on the map. I had it in County Durham. It's just over the border, right? Well, back on the road again after a little short stop in Allen Heads, just in south Northumberland here, in a little place called Allendale, a few miles up the road. Some of the views are spectacular. I like that word, spectacular. We're just coming into Allendale town now. It's only a small place as well. It's about 8 miles away from Allen Heads, the little town centre. Couple of can cups. That's one there, the forge. And there's one round the corner there. We'll not be stopping later here. I'll just crack on with a ride. I've done this ride a few times but in the opposite direction. So I thought I'd do it backwards this time. Nothing to do that. Gonna get fixed at that. Bit gravel on the road there. Don't like gravel. Walking around now to Alston. Alright, we're entering Alston now. Supposed to be the highest town in England. We're not going to stop like, we're going to crack on straight through. It's a nice little place, but I think it could do with a facelift. This is on Marketplace. With a bit of a facelift, I think this could be a nice little place. A few boarding houses. And then we're back now. By the Durham. Well, just meant ahead. Another little lead mining place, what's virtually extinct now. In Weardale. Little cycling shop across the road. And there's a little coast-to-coast hostel down there for your cycling. In the, I think it's the Miners' Arms. Now we'll press on a little bit. All the mine workers there. A few more bikers. We're ready to County Durham. It's nearly all downhill. Hope lead mine. It used to be a tourist, like it was a museum, but I think it's closed down now. I've never seen anybody there for a long time. The sun's out, it's a bit breezy, it's not red hot. Middle of July. World Cup final day. What we've just missed out on. Never mind. I know there's not much up here, but there's some nice places. Shops are hard to come by, but it's a bit more wilder in the winter as well. St John's Chapel. I wonder how far people travel to work from here. There's not many jobs around this way. Oh. Approaching Westgate. A nice little village. There's hardly anything there. Well, I'm just coming to Eastgate now. This is where we turned off to do our little loop up there. Heading back towards Stanhope now. I think I'll go back over the tops. One of my favourite roads, that, across the tops, back to concert. Right, we're just in Stanhope now, but we're going to turn off where that red car is up there and go across the tops. It's a bit more scenic route, plus it's a new road now. Drop it down a notch and again. People got sick of walking up there in the old days. The out for your mother's harvest. Right, on the tops now. There. It's a course cycle route, that's a cup. Right on the tops now. See virtually all the northeast from me. Unfortunately, at this point, I've lost the recording. There's no sound at all, but we were approaching concert. I was planning to end the film here anyway, but the gremlins were hard where the stabilisation was turned off, the volume was too high, and all this because I tried to do a firmware update and I didn't go back into the settings. So I hope everything's ironed out for the next time, and we'll see you shortly. Bye.